Hi everyone, let's talk about Metamaterials. It's a smart materials and photonics company that invents, designs, develops and manufactures various functional materials and nanocomposites. Market cap is reaching the 1 billion mark. It went, of course, it had been back in June over the billion when the price were at around $20 per share. So the hype is about the upcoming short squeeze. So those who invested earlier could enjoy this kind of ride here, 600%. Of course, those who invested earlier, for example, last November, those were enjoying over 3,000%. But the drop was significant, minus 85% since then. And now we see that kind of same movement as we saw previously. So this is actually getting once again nice raise, but will it stay like this and goes down, or do we see this kind of movement? So never knows. But let's check on the fundamentals and technical side. Health analyze, 5 of the 6 earnings have declined by 71% per year over the past 5 years. Highly volatile share price. So this is very mostly seen within the short squeeze. There's a bottom line, multiple bottom lines. So I guess the strong support level is at around 250. So this is the best point to enter, 250. Not bad to enter on this numbers, so $5 to $6, but it's over the stock price target because MarketWatch has the stock price target 457. Of course, it would be optimal to get in around that number, but never knows. That's why I recommend to diversify stocks that you're buying, and even if it drops to the support level 250, there's high possibilities that it could turn, but of course it's not financial advice. There's also significant insider selling over the past 3 months, and company does not have meaningful revenue, which is 2 million. With 2 million revenue, with the market cap almost 1 billion. So that's the semiconductors industry companies. They had lately product updates and earnings updates that is leading to the market performance. 7-day return 59%. I'm not sure when they entered. This graph shows that they had more than 1 year on the market, but somehow it does not show here any volatility basically over the 90 days. But anyway, 30 days return 66%. And valuation side, as I said, simple Wall Street, neither the tip rank does not have any price targets. MarketWatch has the $4.5 per share, and future growth for the semiconductors industry is forecasted 15%. Past performance of the company. So this is on the earnings side. They had better years in the revenue, but as you see, it decreased by over 70% through these years. And currently it's earnings minus 62 million. So there's over 3,000 on the negative side profit margin, which is not good. The company is unprofitable. There's the past earnings growth analyze. There's the industry, market, and companies compared. Let's check the financial health. So I guess they printed a lot of shares out. If we check the simple safe dividends, shares outstanding, they made 10 times more within 2 years. They had 9.7 million of stocks out, and currently 106 million. They printed a lot. Of course, the money went for the covering the operating business and the research and some other investments. But currently, based on last earning update, they have 154 million of cash, equity 367 million, debt 82 million, and balance sheet looks mostly green. There's the red debt on the side. They're not paying dividends. Let's skip the management. They have, I guess, average management tenure almost 1 year, and insiders were selling. Yeah, this one sold back in July, 1.5 million, max price 5.27. So actually it could even sell within more. But ownership breakdown says there's a general public holding 76% and insiders holding 10, VC peer firms 6.7, institutions 6.4. Top shareholders, somehow it's not showing changed data, but we see here on the top list BlackRock is here, Vanguard as well. We see that founder holding 10%, and on the second place Innovac Corporation 102 million. But anyway, the total sales are volatile. They managed to raise the sales, and basically sales growth saying that last 12 months it increased by 50%, which is very nice for the company. And as you see, the stock price is pretty volatile, and it could drop, as you see, within 1 year. So there's 1 year frame minus 92%. And if we check, for example, June here within the year, over 1000%. So this is actually the volatility on the market. If you brought here, you can always average once you are hit, for example, minus 60, minus 70. But of course, there's a lot of companies that have been going to the bankrupt and so on, or they are all-time minus 99%. So yeah, never knows. But this one is all-time almost 5,000% on the positive side. And investing.com selling the stock for long-term investors as a strong buy, moving average buy, and technical indicators strong buy. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully it was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, like the video or dislike the video. Thanks for your time. See you in the next time.